Okay, we're gonna go for a quick test drive. Okay, we're going to do a quick visual condition report on this Mercedes, starting with the front right wheel. Looks like it had some previous curb rash that was repaired, so you're going to have a couple little imperfections here and there, but otherwise that wheel looks good. We do have some rock chips here. You got some on the side mirror. Couple on this A-pillar, otherwise that looks good. Got a chip here. Got a chip there. And then you have two larger touch-up spots right there. You're gonna have some fingernail scratches throughout this area. And then you're gonna have some scuffs and scratches from your everyday washing. The rest of that looks good. This wheel looks like it had some previous curb rash repaired, so now it's nice and clean. Now looking at the front end, here on the lower section, we do have some rash. It's around this front splitter. You have some larger touch-up spots. And of course, you're gonna have some rock chips kind of peppered throughout this front bumper. Some of them have been touched up, others have not. Looks like we have a crack right here in the splitter. See some scratches here. And then there is a ding on the top of the hood here. Just that one, it's very minor. You have a larger chip right there. We have some damage here and another crack on that splitter. And then you can see some rash here and the splitter kind of popping out. And then looking at the bumper here, you can see the alignment is off, more than likely from the curb rash down here. You have some rock chips. This wheel had some curb rash, but it was repaired. And some chips here. A chip on the A-pillar, a couple on the side mirror. We have some gashes right there. Got a large chip on the handle, some scratches, and then you're going to see these fingernail scratches throughout the door handle. And then the paint itself, you're going to see some scuffs and scratches from everyday washing. You have some chips on the door edge. That wheel looks good. Then looking here, you can see some scuffs and scratches. And then here on the left side of the bumper, we have some gashes here, some scuffs. You do have a stain in the paint right there, kind of like a hard water stain. And then we have a ding right here and a scratch. Then you're gonna have some scuffs and scratches on this back bumper. You have a gash here and right there. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. We have a little bit of wear right here. Those buttons all look good. We got the memory seating here. Looking at the kick plate, a few little scuffs and scratches. Got the WeatherTech mats. It's missing the logo right there. That bolster looks amazing. This side's really clean. Those seats look really good. Now we do have a gash right here across the leather on the center console. Got some wear spots here on the top. These buttons look good. All of that looks nice. 89,000 miles. You can see some wear on the screen. All those buttons look good. You have some cracks here on that wood grain. Got a gorgeous panoramic roof. Then looking at the back seats here. Overall, that seat looks good. Here on the console, you can see a couple scratches. A little bit of wear. The seats themselves look good. Then here on the seat back, got a couple scuffs. Looking at this door panel, overall looks really good. Got a couple scuffs on the kick plate. Got the nice WeatherTech mats. Got a few scuffs on the seat, a little scratch there. That bolster looks really good. This side looks really good as well. Got a couple chips here. Upper dash looks amazing. Glove box is nice and clean. And then looking at the engine bay, looks really clean. All the plastics look good.